Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Sales Order Shipper Data Loader. This data loader was designed especially for QAD users who work with a large number of shipments in the QAD 7.9.2 menu. You'll find that this efficient and productive tool allows you to download data from QAD into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily manage shipment details. Then, quickly and safely, upload your data back into QAD. Let's take a look at how Sales Order Shipper Data Loader can help you manage your shipments with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the data loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the Data Loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. To get started, we need to select the correct database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases here as needed. The fields in the banner highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by site, customer, ship to, and due date. Let's enter a site, a customer, and due date, and we select the Download button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Sales Order Shipper Loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. This data loader validates that the user has access to menu 7.9.2. Let's log in. The data is downloaded and we now see all open sales orders that match our selection criteria. If a sales order shipper has been created for the sales order line already, a shipper number will be displayed in the shipper number column. A value in the schedule column will indicate if the order is a scheduled or blanket customer order or a discrete or demand order. The standard pack column will show the recommended order multiple for the item. This value will be automatically populated depending on whether it is a scheduled or discrete order. It will be populated from the Order Multiple field in Item Master if a discrete order, or from the Standard Pack Quantity field if a scheduled order. The Quantity to Ship column will show the open order quantity. For scheduled orders, it will show the cumulative required open quantity from the current customer schedule. The Quantity Allocated and Quantity Picked columns will show allocated and picked quantities for the sales order lines, if any. The Site and Location columns will show from where the quantity has been allocated or picked. The Lot Number and Reference columns will show details of the allocated picked quantity. If there is no allocated or picked quantity, the location, lot, and reference will be blank. If there is more than one lot allocated or picked for the same order line, each lot will be downloaded as a separate line in the spreadsheet. For this demonstration, we will ship a few order lines. To create sales order shippers, we need to leave only lines that will be shipped and make sure the shipper column is blank. Columns with green headers indicate fields are fully writable, so we can edit the value in these columns. Once we have reviewed our data, we simply click the Upload button to send our new data to QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if the upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. Just like all 32Soft data loaders, the Sales Order Shipper Data Loader validates data in the cells against genuine QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we close the status window and correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. We must correct all errors before resubmitting our data. Let's try to find and fix any other errors. Once all errors are fixed, we can try to upload again. This time the upload is successful. We can close the status window. The shipper number is downloaded automatically after our successful upload. The system will automatically create one shipper for each Site Ship To combination. We can use the View Shipper button to review the shipper we just created. And we can see our information was uploaded successfully to QAD. The Sales Order Shipper Loader also has a few buttons which allow us to drill down and see the sales order details. Item allocations, or item site quantity on hand. As demonstrated, this easy-to-use productivity tool enables you to easily manage a large number of sales order shipments from convenient Excel spreadsheets and upload the data safely into QAD. 32soft's Sales Order Shipper Data Loader will increase your productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.